Hello friends, welcome to Inside Text. Here we will learn about power transmission elements and its. So friends, in the previous video we have learned how to make a transformer low voltage testing and what are the various kind of low voltage testing. All the low voltage testing were discussed in brief in the previous video. So in today's video we are going to discuss in detail about voltage ratio test. So we have seen how to prepare a transformer low voltage. What are the various material required for making a transformer low voltage testing kit? I will mention the link of this video in the description box below. You can check it out. So this is how a transformer low voltage testing kit will look like after it is made. And so now let us friends begin with the voltage ratio test. Okay, so we will first of all remove all the fuse, and this is the transformer on which we are going to perform the low voltage ratio test. So the transformer is 66 by 11 kV 15 MVA transformer, and it is of delta star connection. So we are going to see a voltage ratio test for this transformer. Now let us connect all the terminals, HV terminals on the HV side of the transformer. So R phase, Y phase, B phase connection are provided. Next you have to see that it is delta connected, delta of the transformer on the HV side, so there will not be a neutral connection. Next we will move towards the LV terminals and provide R, Y and B connections over here and neutral connection. So you will require a three-phase supply, okay, to begin with this test, and also you will have to note down the test results. So this is the format in which you can write the test results. So we will consider all the taps from tap number 1 to 17 for the transformer. We will consider HV side voltage as RY, YB, BR, basically in between voltages, and similarly for LV side RY, YB, BR and Rn, Yn and Bn with respect to neutral. So supposingly assuming that transformer is at tap number 1 right now, okay, so we will see how we can measure the voltage. So first of all you will have to provide all the fuse on the HV side, okay. We will next turn on the MCB, okay. Once the MCB is turned on, we will require a multimeter. So we have a multimeter over here to measure the voltage between the terminals of HV and LV. So now let us begin to measure the voltage. First we will measure for RY phase. So you can see it is 430 volt. We will write 430 volt. Next we will move to YB phase. So YB phase, it is 438 volt. We will write 438 volts over here. Next we will see BR phase. So between B and R phase we have 432 volts, right? So 432 volts. Now we will move on towards the LV terminals. Between LV terminals R and Y phase the voltage is 71 volt. So we will note it 71 volts. Similarly YB phase we have 73 volts, and BR phase voltage is 74. Now let us measure voltage between phase to. So R phase and neutral voltage is 42.6 volt. Y phase and neutral 41.6 volt. Thirdly, between B phase and neutral voltage is 41.5 volts. Right. So friends, this is done for voltage ratio testing of the transformer for tap number 1, and similarly you have to measure the voltages for all the different taps from 1 to 17 of the transformer. See, for step number 2, we have measured the voltage and it is written over here. Okay. These are the test results for the said transformer from step number 1 to 17. You can observe that for HV side we have measured the voltage at only few steps 1, 5, 10 and 17, but it is very important to measure the voltage on the LV side for all the steps. See, you can see over here, and one thing to observe is as the step increases the voltage also starts increasing, right? So this is one of the indication that the voltage ratio test you have done and the results that you are getting are okay, and the transformer is also okay. Friends, this is one nameplate detail of the transformer. As you can see on the HV side, the voltage is 66,000, that is 66 kV, and on the LV side for different steps from 1 to 17, it is increasing in this manner. And the similar kind of result we have obtained in the voltage ratio test that we conducted. So one thing to observe over here is at the step number 5, when the HV side voltage is 66,000, that is 66 kV, the voltage you are getting on LV side is 11.55 volt. So this is the normal operation step of this transformer, because at the step number 5 you are getting complete output of 66 by 11.5 kV. So there is another test that is called as turns ratio test. That is a higher version of a low voltage ratio test. So if you are conducting a turns ratio test, then there is no requirement to do this voltage ratio test. In the next video we will see what is the turns ratio test, how it is done, and what is its importance. So friends, I hope you have understood the voltage ratio test, and you will be able to perform on the transformers whenever you require. So friends, that's all for today's video. We will come up with more LV test on transformer, how they are conducted, what are their importance. If you have any queries, please ask in the comments below. Keep watching our videos. Thank you.